Hello everyone, welcome to the video of this VR660 Pro recorder. Start by opening the package, which contains a manual, a magnetic ring, and a data cable. Let's take a look at our Protagonist VR600 Pro. It's very delicate and compact. After removing the back cover, you can attach it to an object with its own magnetism, and with the included magnetic ring, the magnetism will be even stronger. And the back cover can also be used as a back clip, so that when you don't need the magnetism, you can clip it where you want to clip it. Now I will demonstrate how to use the recorder. Move the button to the left next to the recording icon, and the indicator light will turn red, indicating that recording has started. Then move the button to the middle position, and the indicator light will start flashing, indicating that the Bluetooth function is turned on and can be connected to your phone. If you do not need to connect to Bluetooth, just wait for the indicator light to turn off by itself to turn off the recorder. Next, here's how to use the recorder to record calls. Move the button to the left next to the recording icon, and the indicator light will turn red, indicating that recording has started. Then move the button to the right next to the phone icon, and attach the recorder to the back of the phone to start recording. The recorder's magnet will ensure that it stays attached to the phone and does not fall off. Next, I will demonstrate how to download and use the VikLink Rec app. First, open the App Store, search for VikLink, and find VikLink Rec to download. Now let's open the downloaded app. First, make sure your recorder is in Bluetooth mode. Then click on Bluetooth connection, then click on Connect Device. Find and select your recorder, click on Bind Recorder, and then click on Return to Homepage. Click the Settings icon in the top left corner to view the recorder's device information. Select Date and Time to synchronize the recorder's time and date. Upon returning to the homepage, there are two options. Phone represents call recordings, and Meeting represents meeting recordings. Select Meeting to download the recording files to your phone. After downloading, click on the AI icon, go to the new page, and click Try It to start recording audio transcription into text. Click the Summary button to generate a smart summary of the transcription file. You can also edit the text by adding or deleting words. Click the More icon in the upper right corner to translate the text. Currently, only English, Japanese, and Chinese are supported. You can also share the transcribed text or summary. If you need to use a computer to browse the recorded files, simply connect the recorder to the computer using a data cable. Once connected to the computer, the indicator light on the recorder will flash red, indicating that it is connected to the computer. After opening the 660 Pro disk on your computer, you can open the Set Device Time folder and click Set U-Disk Time to synchronize the time and date of the recorder. Return to the disk space where the DVR folder stores meeting or other recording files, and the phone folder stores call recording files. Both folders can be opened to play or edit the recording content.